Welcome back to week 3 of word building. This is video for day 2. So yesterday I kind of introduced our new vowel sound for this week. It was short O. So if you did not watch yesterday's video, go back and watch because we're learning a new vowel sound for this week. This is all new information. So we have short O sound, which goes ah. Go ahead and say it with me. Aw. Okay. For this video, we're going to be working on the OG word family, the word OG ending. So it goes og. All right. So all of our words today are going to have that og ending. I'm going to go ahead and get started. If you have access to a printer and want to print out the worksheet to complete with me, feel free to do that. If you do not, that's okay. We're just going to continue to, follow along with the video. You can skywrite. If you have magnets, stickers, feel free to use those as well. So here we go. The first word we are going to build is
H
H
O
O
G G
G. So we have H A G, hog. Good. Let's do another one.
D O G G
D A G. What's the word? Dog. Good. Remember, we have that ah sound here. Let's do one more together, and then I'll let you build on your own.
J O G G
J A G. What's the word? Jog, right? We're putting all of these sounds together. Good. All right, on your own, I want you to try to build the word for me, sog. I'll say it again for you. Sog. Go ahead, if you're working at home, write it down on your worksheet. If you're just following along with the video, you can skywrite it for me. I'll give you some time. All right, you've had some time to build the word sog, so let's go ahead and check. Sog. What sound do you hear at the beginning? S. That is correct.
S
What's the next sound you hear?
O
Ah. Good. And that ending sound, the last sound?
G G
G. Good. We have S, A, G, sog. Let's try another. I want you to build the word bog. I'll say it again for you. Bog. Make sure you get all of the sounds. All right, you've had some time, so let's think of that beginning sound in bog. What is the beginning sound, the first sound you hear?
B
B, B. Good. What's the next sound you hear?
O
Ah. And the last sound?
G G
All right, now let's check to make sure we got all of our sounds. So we have the word bog, B, A, G, bog. Good. All right, friends, so this is the last word for today's video. Again, we're focusing on the OG ending here, the OG ending. Stay tuned for a video tomorrow. I'll have a new word family for you. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day.